Thank you, dear friends, and we are glad and excited to announce a football tournament, namely Maharaja Birbikram Maniko Memorial Knockout Tournament 2025 shall be held at Khumulwng Ground Stadium in the heart of the Khumulwng headquarter complex. And on behalf of the local Khumulwng Local Committee, where we want to announce the organization of the tournament will be organized by the Khumulwng Local Committee, and the award of the tournament is based on the statistics. That is, the winner or the champion will be receiving 3 lakhs rupees along with trophy, and secondly, the runner-up also will receive 2 lakhs rupees and along with trophy, and man of the match and the best goalkeeper will be also awarded, and all the players, those who runner up and the winners, will receive the medal to all the players. And the registration or the fees started from 6 July 2025 to till last date 20 July 2025, and official contact number 7085 408228, and another number 883-721-5368. You can communicate with our official person, and registration fees is only 3,000. And I would like to request all the sponsors, those who want to sponsor in our tournament, we are likely welcome to all the sponsorship, the proprietor business and the company holder. And I would like to read out some of the important rules and regulations that we have made. Entry fee is 3,000 only. Knockout match shall be played. Entry fee registration commence from 6 July to till last date 20 July 2025, and rules and regulation of all the match will follow according to the norms of the TFA. And that's all. Then others you will see in the social media, as well, and even in the newspaper. We'll furnish in the newspaper too. And that's all. Thank you so much.